Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. And today, as you can see, I have in front of me here the Spigen Mag Armor Case. And this is a matte black version. But before I get into the unboxing, please, I would appreciate if you could just head on down below, hit that subscribe button and help to get me to 1,000 subscribers. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm almost there. I'm currently almost 800 subscribers. Need another 200 plus to go, so please be one of those subscribers to help me get there. Okay, so let me get into this unboxing really quick. Don't want to bore you with too much talking right away, so let's go. So as you can see, let's show you this again. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max case. This is for the 6.7-inch model, which is the Pro Max. All right, that's a 2021 Mag Armor case, and this Mag Armor case is MagSafe compatible, and it's matte black, as you can see the color right here on the bottom. Okay, and this is made by Spigen, as you can see in the title. Okay, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite. So we're gonna put this case on the phone, see what it looks like. I'm gonna give you my honest opinions on the case to help you out if you're in the market looking for this case and wanted to see it before you make a purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that right now. And as soon as I take it from the plastic here, it does look really nice. You can see a little, I mean, it's not protruding, but you can see the outline of that MagSafe circle going around here a little bit, but it's not protruding because I can run my fingers along the back of the phone and you don't feel any humps back here. Okay, and we do have the Spigen logo on the back here. We have our camera cutout. It does have a little lip to protect your camera, if just in case your phone falls on the back, or if you put your phone on the back down on a hard surface. It does offer some protection there. So let's go on the left side. As you can see on the left side, let me show you here, it's a little rounded. It does take away from the flat design from the iPhone 13 model. I'm not sure if I like it, but I'll see how it looks when I put it on the phone. And we do have our cutout here for a silent switch, volume up and down button. Those look really nice, feel really nice so far. And as you can see, we have the smooth sides and our diagonal engravements in the back here. It looks kind of like a carbon fiber look right here. That's what it's giving off. At the bottom, we do have our speaker grill cutout here and our charging port, or lightning charging port at the bottom. We do have that cutout there, and we do have our power button on the right side here. Okay, but I'm sure, as I mentioned before, it has a matte finish on the side here, smooth matte finish here. It's plain, no engravements on that part, but on the back we have the engravements. On the inside of the case, you can see the MagSafe circle right here. And as I mentioned before, you could see it on the back a little bit, the outline, but it's not protruding. It feels really flat. Okay, so let's put it on the phone and see what it looks like. I know that's what you're here to see. Okay, let's put that on the phone. All right, no animation like when you put on an Apple case, but it is MagSafe compatible. We do have the cutout here. See how it looks. Your switch, your silent switch here, easy to get to, really nice to access, easy access right there. We have our volume up and down rocker. Let's try that out. Feels really nice. You don't have to do too much to get those buttons to respond. Our power button here as well, it feels really nice and clicky. You don't have to do too much for this to respond either. Okay, and the bottom here looks really nice and uniform. All our major cutouts are right there, and we do have the camera cutout in the back here. Looks really nice. You have this little lip goes over the cameras, so it does offer protection if your phone falls on the back or if you put it like on a hard surface. Okay, so this is how it looks from the back. That's it right there. Looks really nice. That carbon fiber look, it's not really carbon fiber, or this engravement is not really a carbon fiber design look, but it does give off that look a little bit. Let me know in the comment section what you think. And as I mentioned before, the sides here around the phone, the case, they're a little rounded on this case, so it does take away from the squared design from the iPhone. If that's something you like, I'm not sure if you're gonna like this case taking away that look, but at the end of the day, we buy a case for protection. A lot of us buy cases for the look. We want to have nice cases on our phone, but this offers nice protection as well. You put your face down, you have this little lip to protect your screen on the phone. Okay, and this is how it looks from the front. See those lips going around, so it does protect your screen if it goes on a flat surface. That's it from the side again, at the bottom, and on the other side, from the top and the back. Okay, so this is a beautiful case if you're trying to look for, or you're not trying to spend $50 on a MagSafe case from Apple. This is a perfect alternative, and you can't go wrong with this case. It looks beautiful. Look at it. Oh man. So if you're looking for a case, this is a nice decision. So if you're trying to purchase this case, I'm going to have the link in the description for this case. So after, you could just go to the description, the link is going to be there, so you could just click on the link, make the purchase for this case right here. And this, I'm going to have the link for the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro as well. So we're reviewing the one for the 13 Pro Max, but I'm going to link all the iPhone 13 models links. I'm going to have the links there so you can purchase for your phone. Okay, so remember to hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on for when I have my next upload, and try and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. All right, I'll definitely appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Peace.